He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him will I trust.
He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High, shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty, the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him will I trust, in Him will I trust, in Him will I trust. Surely He shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler and from the noisome pestilence, pestilence. Oh, He shall cover thee with His feathers, with His feathers, with His feathers, and under His wings shalt thou trust, shalt thou trust. Oh, thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor the hour that flieth by the day, for the pestilence that walketh in darkness, nor destruction that's wasted at noonday. Thousand shall fall on the left side and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come nigh thee, not come nigh thee. Oh, but thine eyes shall thou behold and see the reward of the wicked, because the Lord is my refuge, even the Most High, thy habitation, habitation. Oh, there shall no evil befall thee, nor shall any place come near thee. For He shall give His angels charge over thee. They shall bear thee up with thine hands, lest thou dash thy foot against a stone, against a stone. Thou shalt tread upon the lion and the adder, the young lion and the dragon thou shalt trample underfoot.
Because He hath set His love upon me, therefore will I deliver Him. I will set Him on high, because He hath known my name. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life will I satisfy him and show him my salvation.
1,000 shall fall on thy left side and 10,000 at thy right hand. If you dwell in the secret place of the Most High, of the Most High, shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty, the Almighty. Because the Lord is my refuge, Lord is my refuge. Even the Most High, that habitation, habitation. Oh, he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High, of the Most High, shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty, the Almighty. Oh. He that dwelleth in the secret place, he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High God, shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty, the Almighty.